These are the tools you'll need to assemble your shed. Please review all assembly steps before beginning construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your shed needs to be built on a solid, level surface. Concrete or a treated wood platform is recommended. Place the floor panel J5H51 onto your level surface. Position panel C on the left side of your floor panel and align with the slots. Push downward until you hear a click. Align wall panel H dovetail joints to panel C and push downward until you hear the click. If necessary, secure the attachment using a block of wood and rubber mallet by tapping on the top of panel H. Position wall panel E on the other side of panel C. Align the dovetails and push downward until you hear the click. Repeat the previous process, steps 2 through 4, to install the remaining wall panels D, J, and G. Slide 4 wall connectors, Q, into the slots between panels E and G to secure the walls. Use another person to position the rear gable M above wall panels E and G. Push downward until you hear the click. Position the front gable M above wall panels H and J and slide downward, stopping before reaching the click sound. Install the left door panel K by inserting the lower hinge pin into the left floor socket. Lift the end of gable M enough to insert the top hinge pin into the gable socket. Install the right door panel F. Lift the end of gable M enough to insert the top hinge into the gable socket. Now secure the gable ends by pushing each downward until you hear the click. Install the lock hasp X into the back side of the right door panel. Using ladders, place ridge beam R into cups at the top of each gable. Align slots in the ridge beam R with the holes in gable M and secure with bolt BB, washer CC, and nut DD on both sides. Insert bolt BB through plastic tab and secure with washer, then nut on the other side. Tighten the nut only to finger tight. Place the left roof panel N onto the left side of the shed. The arrows on the roof panel should face the inside of the shed and point towards the ridge beam R. Using 2 step stools or ladders, lift the bottom of the roof panel above the height of the ridge beam and guide into ridge beam R. The person inside the shed should ensure the bottom edge of the roof panel is seated into the ridge beam. Engage by lowering the bottom of the roof panel onto the shed. Engage all snaps between the roof panel and gable by tapping on the roof with a wood block and rubber mallet. Then do the same for the roof panel and wall panel. Repeat steps 13 through 15 to install the right roof panel P. Secure both M gables with 16 AA screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. While one person holds down the bottom of the roof, secure the roof panels to the side wall panels C and D with 4 AA screws. Install the 4 roof pins EE. Secure wall panels to the floor panels with 8 AA screws. Congratulations! Your 7 by 3 foot and 6 inch shed is complete and ready for use.